Let us see what happens if we multiply a conjugate with a complex number. So in this example, it will be a plus bi times a minus bi. And when I simplify, that leads to a squared minus b squared I squared. But remember that I squared is equals to negative 1 because I represents the square root of negative 1, and when I square that, it leads to negative 1. So if I simplify further, I have a squared plus b squared. So let us look at our example again. We have z times its conjugate, where z is 3 plus 2i times 3 minus 2i. And when I simplify that, that leads to 9 minus 4i squared. And if I simplify further, it becomes a real number where it's simply equal to 13. Remember that I squared is equal to negative 1. So it's 9 minus 4 times negative 1, which is 9 plus 4, and that becomes a real number of 13.